Hey guys, I'm Joey. Welcome back to Over the Table's Random Reviews. If you're not subscribed to the channel, make sure you take a second, click that subscribe button down below so you don't miss on any future videos, the giveaway I'm doing at 1,000 subscribers, or the 100th video, which is coming up, and it will be amazing. So today's product, what we've got is a Slingshot. Now what sets this Slingshot apart from most Slingshots is the fact that it's on eBay for just $2. You really can't beat $2 for a Slingshot. Now I will be doing a video in the future on how to make a Slingshot for just $1 and a video on how to do it for free, but for now we're going to go ahead and open this thing up, take a look, and see what it's all about. Alright guys, so as you can see, this is definitely the most fancy of the eBay packagings I've received. It is definitely the bubble wrap type, but it's got a nice little logo on there. I kind of like it. We're going to use the $1 key knife to open this thing up. If you want to check the video review of this product out, it is right up there. So let's open this thing up without cutting anything open that we shouldn't. And here we are. Anything else in the package? That's a no. Here we are, we're wrapped in a little bit more plastic here. It is a plastic bag. We'll go ahead and take it out. Now what do you get here? You've got your aluminum construction here, Slingshot with a plastic handle for sure. These are fake screws in case you are wondering. It's just for decoration. And this really does not feel very sturdy. I will be honest with you guys. I can almost guarantee this metal part does not go all the way through the handle, and it could possibly break in the future. It does have a metal construction though that is pretty solid. It doesn't bend or anything. And it's got 3 holes here for your 3 elastic bands. So taking a look at the 3 bands here, you've got your obvious leather pouch. You know, it actually might be made of leather, but I really highly doubt it because it really doesn't look like it. And you can see by the separation of layers, it is not a leather pouch. But it is pretty nice. They do seem to be well made. As you can see, there's little hard things glued into the ends here, so that way it goes and it hooks into place on the actual Slingshot handle part. So let's go ahead and put this thing together and see what it looks like. Make sure that you've got the softer part of your leather type material on the inside, so that way it's got the most protection of your rocks and keeps it as durable as possible for as long as possible. You also want to make sure that this part slides into this slot here because it won't slide into that slot there. Some of these spaces here are a lot tighter than others, which makes it hard to get it in, but it's still gettable. It just takes a little more effort. So as you can see, this is our Slingshot here. It's got the 3 bands. We've got this part of the leather type material on the inside, the shiny, more smooth, reflective side on the outside, which is good. It is pretty well balanced, as you can see. The center of stretchability balance is right in the middle of the pocket to hold your ammunition. Stretches back like that and release. Now it does have 3 bands on it, which is supposed to make this thing pretty darn strong and shoot a high velocity projectile, which is nice for getting anything done with the Slingshot capabilities. So we're going to go ahead and actually go outside, test this thing out, maybe get some rocks, shoot them at stuff, and see what kind of power it actually has. Alright guys, so the best target I could find here was an empty Dr. Pepper can from a long time ago, because I haven't had soda in probably about a year. It's been a very long time. I went and grabbed this little rock here that I'm going to use as my projectile, and we're going to go ahead and see what kind of damage it does. Now I'm going to take this first shot from a pretty close distance because we're not really looking at the accuracy of this product but more about the power. So I'm going to get, decently close and see what kind of shot I can do. So obviously it's good that we're not testing accuracy because I missed. That was probably user error, but I'll go ahead and take another shot. Now when loading up your Slingshot, you want to make sure that your projectile is sited nicely into the center of the pocket, so that way when you hold onto it, you're holding onto it nicely, and that will give you the best accuracy. So let's actually aim this time and hit this thing. Boom. Let's check out the damage. Wow guys, I am seriously impressed right now. Look at this can. Holy crap, look at the damage it did. And if you can hear, That is the rock on the inside of the can. That is absolutely insane that it did that much damage to a soda can with just one shot. And that's dead center, guys. That is 100% dead, straight on center of the can. So accuracy is there. The first shot, I wasn't really trying to aim that much. Second shot, very accurate. Very nice product there. So let's go ahead and get you guys a nice little slow motion version of the same shot, so that way you have a nice idea of what kind of power it looks like in slow motion. Here we go, guys. This is what the rock looks like. I got a nice contrasting rock, so that way you can see it, hopefully, in the slow motion. Let's go ahead and take this can out. Look at the intense amount of damage it just did to this can. That is insane. It was a thicker rock, so it didn't pierce the can per se, but it definitely put quite a hefty dent in there. Definitely plenty of damage. This Slingshot works very well, and for a $2 price tag, you really can't beat it. Alright guys, so this Slingshot does come in two different variations. You've got the woodland camo version, and also a wood grain looking version. I'm sure it's still plastic on the handle, but it gives you a nice traditional look of a Slingshot. It does work very well. The 3 strands does have plenty of power, and I highly recommend this product. If you'd like to get it, it is on eBay for just $2. I'll put that link in the description for you guys. If you enjoyed the video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for lots of future videos, the giveaway at 1,000 subscribers, or the 100th video, because it is going to be amazing, like I keep saying, and I'm not going to let you down. Have a great day, everybody, and don't get shot.